welcome to my channel, Style with Carol. I do a lot of home decoration, organization, cleaning type videos. So if you are into those types of things, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Today's video, we are going to do a nautical theme. I gave you all a glimpse of how my front entryway looks like, as well as my formal living room. So now we're going to be consistent and drag that nautical coastal theme into the dining room area. So I'm very excited about that and can't wait to take you guys with me on my transition. Right now I have a lot of Easter decorations up, so we're going to go from cleaning up the Easter decoration. Comment down below if you're still with me and you're the late crew that has been slacking. But yes, first portion of the video, I'll make sure to timestamp it in case you want to skip to whatever session you are interested in. But I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning, decluttering for the beginning portion, and then we're going to dive into the decoration aspect of everything and a few updates that I've had in my home that I want to share with you all, as well as some recommendation tips and places, of course, where I purchased these items, because I definitely want to be transparent and make sure that you're able to recreate the look yourself. So let's dive right in. I'm excited. Let's get to it. So special thank you to my mama who helped me clean last week. Without her, my house would be upside down. So very blessed to have my mom in my life. So thank you, Mom. Here's how my lovely dining room table looks. It's obviously decorated for the Easter theme, so I had to take everything out and place them back into their designated bins. Clearly, I'm very relaxed and lazy this morning, trying to get all the decorations decluttered for you. Literally had an epiphany while cleaning, because I figured, why not replicate that same Easter look on the chandelier where the eggs were, and basically put like fishnets and hang down fishes from the chandelier. And that's what I'm going to do for you all next video, because I need a little bit of help from the hubby for that project. So I'm going to make sure to get that up. Hit that bell and make sure you are subscribed so you can get the latest videos and the new updates that we have going on. I didn't want to bore you all with the whole cleaning portion of the video, so we're fast forwarding in time and trying to get this table cleaned as quickly as possible for you all to get to the exciting part, the decorating. It's so crucial to clean up your surface first, and I say this all the time, but I have seen where people have great ideas in terms of decorating, but they're working with like a dirty surface, and of course that makes the overall presentation just not as great as it could have been. So that's why I encourage you to do that cleaning prior to doing the fun part, which is decorating. I know it's tedious, but it is totally worth it. In terms of cleaning products, I highly recommend this for all wooden surfaces or wooden tables if you have that. It is great. I love the citrus smell to this product, and it does a great job of getting all that gunk out of the surface of your table and makes it spotless. So very much recommend this product. It's my go-to. Now, as much as I love these placemats from Pier 1, I think I'm going to have to disregard them for this particular theme and video and style that I'm going for. So, gonna say goodbye. Maybe these would go well with a tropical theme, but bye for now. For my plate chargers, the bottom golden one is from Dollar Tree. I just stacked them on top of the ones that I got from Pier 1 Import, the blue ones, which, by the way, I've seen at Walmart as well. So check Walmart's website if you haven't, because I know that they're selling it for cheaper than I purchased them from Pier 1. And with all the Pier 1s closing out, it's going to be hard to find. So definitely check out Walmart if you're interested in that. The bowls that you see on top of the plates, those are from Dollar Tree. Yes, believe it or not, Dollar Tree. And I just wanted to include 2 of them. And then for the runner, we're using a fish net. This is what I'm showing you, and I've used this throughout my home. And I purchased, about 2 packs of these. I'll link down the description, in the description below. I purchased them from Amazon. Very easy to work with. It does take a little bit of time just to get it from that skinny little form to widening it out. Make sure you measure this out, because depending on your dining room table size, the length might be shorter, and you can definitely repurpose the remaining fishnet elsewhere. These array of seashells and other coastal type fillers are from TJ Maxx. They were only $12.99, and they were a pretty great buy considering a lot of places like At Home are a little bit more pricier, and you get a lot more variety with this big bundle pack. So what I did, because the runner tends to move a lot, I tried to put on some weight with these seashells and various objects to kind of put the runner in place. And of course, these head tables, if you put the charger and the bowls on top of the fishnet, they also are great in terms of holding them together, but on the sides, those are great. So what you're seeing here, the centerpiece that I'm going to have for this dining room table look, that is purchased from Amazon. I am in love with this coral blue color. I used it for my front entryway DIY coral reefs. Look at this shell, so beautiful. This came with the array packet, by the way. But I love adding a pop of that color everywhere, here and there, and it also blends and ties in the front entryway with the rest of the home as well. So these were great additions. Love, love, love these fillers. They can be used in so many different ways. In a bowl, you can take a bowl and just dump a bunch in, or just use it and place it where you feel necessary. This is random. The life is a beach, enjoy the wave, but it was very much inspired for this whole theme in terms of beach, coastal vibe. This was purchased from Dollar Tree, but how cool is this? I love how it just works so well with my house and the theme that we're going for, so I had to show this. I know it's kind of random, but figured why not? You check out your local Dollar Tree if you're interested in this cup. Also in Dollar Tree are these beautiful cups that say the same thing, life is a beach, enjoy the waves. And I purchased more, I swear to you, and somehow they got lost in transport, because now I can't find half of these cups, and I'm very upset about it. Here's where I ended up placing the cups. I know it's very unconventional to put it on the bowl, but for summer, I want to keep it very casual, relaxing, and not so rigid, and just have fun with the decoration. So that's exactly what I did. For the side pieces here, I used a DIY nautical thing, and then you see the home that I use year round. I'm going to play around with this. I might add more fillers actually to it. Now that I'm looking at it, it looks so empty. And then this seahorse was purchased from Amazon. I will make sure to link it down below, but how pretty is it? Just goes so nicely with everything. Kept it very simple, so just giving you guys a last walkthrough of how everything is looking. Really hope you enjoy it. Please consider subscribing, and until next time, my friends. On my next video, I am going to be placing some fish nets like I talked about on the sides, and then putting some wooden fish hanging from the chandelier. I think it's gonna look really cool and put this whole dining room table together and make it look just fantastic. So that's gonna be next video, you all. So make sure you are subscribed. And I'm going to show you how I've mentioned about the Etsy store that we have, and just some places. These are tier trade items, but you can definitely use them on bookshelves and things like that. So just wanted to give you a glimpse of it. If you're interested, the Etsy store is down below. So thank you for your support on our small business. And I cannot wait to show more creations and more products out there. It's very new, so bear with us. We're getting products out on a daily basis and coming up with new ideas. So can't wait to share that with you all. And make sure you follow us on Instagram and social media. Thank you.